go to the left side, and here you have various options like announcements, trial support, and many more. So if you want to use Midjourney AI for free, firstly, you need to log out of your account. Simply click on the settings option at the bottom. Now, you will be taken to your settings. Scroll down to the end and then click on the log out button. Now in the pop-up, again, click on the log out button. Once done, now you need to create an email for a new account. So open up your Google. Now click on the search bar and type proton.me. Once you are here, go to the top and click on the create a free account button here. After that, select the free account by clicking on the Get Proton for Free button. Then, you need to enter your username and password. Once done, simply click on the Create Account button at the bottom. Here, you can verify a Proton account through two methods, email and CAPTCHA. After that, select your display name and then click on Next. Once you are here on Proton Mail, simply click on the Next button and get started. After that, go to the top right and click on your profile. Then copy your Proton email address. After that, open up a new tab, search for Discord, and then simply click on this link. Once you are here, now click on the Login button. After that, enter your new email address, and then click on the Register option right here. Now here, enter your display name, username, password, and other required details. Once done, then simply click on the Continue button. Once you are here, now go to the left side and click on the plus button. In the pop-up, click on the Join a Server option. Here, click on the Don't Have an Invite option. After that, click on this Midjourney server. Now go to your Proton Mail and click on the Inbox option on the left side. Here, click on Welcome to Discord to verify your email address. After that, open up your Discord and click on the Join Midjourney button at the top. Once you are on the Midjourney bot, here you can message Midjourney bot and you can also report spam. Now click on the Midjourney on the top left. After that, click on Newbies 127 option. And then here, you can enter your prompts and generate images for free. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it out yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.